Hello, it's Tina Clark, computer teacher. Today is June 11th, 2020, and we are going to start a new topic. So here we go. Let's get into the PowerPoint. Well, summer weather and safety. I don't believe the official first day of summer has come yet. That will be coming soon. But in the month of June, we pretty much have weather that's summery, very much like summer. So we are going to talk about summer weather and safety. In the season of summer, the weather can be sunny, of course, and hot, or it can be rainy, cloudy, and stormy. We're going to talk about summer weather and staying safe. Some summer days can be hot and sunny with high temperatures in the 80s and 90s. There are things you can do to stay safe even on hot and sunny days. If you're going to be in the sun, you should wear a hat and sunglasses. Yes, the hat will provide shade for your face, and the sunglasses will help protect your eyes from the sun, because the sun's rays can be dangerous, especially if you haven't been used to it. So it's good to wear a hat and sunglasses if you're going to be out in the sun for a length of time. Put on sunscreen. That could be lotion or spray that you put on your skin, and it will protect your skin from getting burned. If you don't wear sunscreen, your skin could get burned. The sun itself would shine on your skin and burn your skin, and your skin would turn red and blister, and it might even peel, and it would hurt. And what happens is if you get too many sunburns, someday there's the possibility that you could get cancer. Not saying that you will, but if you can avoid having a sunburn by using sunscreen, it's best to do that. If you do get a sunburn, don't panic. Just have an adult help you take care of it, because there are things you can do to make the sunburn feel better. Drink lots of water. If you're out in the sun a lot, your body's going to sweat and lose moisture, and you have to put more moisture in your body, so drink lots of water. Put a time limit on how long you are in the sun. Yeah, especially in the spring, if it gets warm really quickly after winter, you just aren't used to being out in the heat and in the sun, and if you decide to be out there for a couple of hours in the sun when you've been inside all winter, that's not good. You're going to get sick and your skin's going to, burn. But even if you get used to the sun, it's still not good to be out there for very long, if possible. So put a time limit on how long you are in the sun, and an adult will help you with that. Some summer days can also be stormy. During the summer, we can get thunderstorms with thunder, lightning, high winds, or hail. And here's the lightning on the left side of the page. In a previous video, we talked about lightning and how to stay safe when there's lightning. So make sure you watch that video too. But remember, lightning is a form of electricity coming from the sky, and it can be branches that look like tree branches, or it can be flashes of light, and it's very hot, and it can hit things. It could hit a person, it can hit a building, and it could kill a person or hurt you. So in a previous video, I talk about how to stay safe with that. So make sure to look that up on my playlist. We can also get hail. That's what this is. This is like ice that's in the shape of a ball or a marble coming from the sky. And it can even be bigger than marble sized or pea sized. It could be as big as a golf ball or a baseball. When it gets that big, it's really dangerous. When it gets that big, it could break a window. And so, yeah, in some storms, there might be hail also. And so in this picture, there's so much hail that person was able to scoop a whole bunch of it up and hold it in their hand. So it's good to stay safe and not be out there when it's lightning and not be outside when it's hailing. We will be talking more about steps to take to be safe from these things. But for now, I want you to make sure that you watch this video. We are not going to watch it together because it just does not appear well in my screen capture program. So it's from National Geographic, and it's a kid talking about thunderstorms. So make sure to watch that. I will include the link in the description of this video, because I will also have questions at some point in another video about this particular video. All right, let's go back to our PowerPoint. Sometimes the National Weather Service will issue a thunderstorm watch or a thunderstorm warning. And sometimes it's hard to know. What's the difference? Watch versus warning. What's the difference? A watch is that dangerous weather is possible within a couple of hours, but it is not occurring yet. But a warning, do you see the red letters? A warning is worse. A warning means dangerous weather is occurring. It is happening. Move indoors and seek shelter if necessary. And usually the adults that are with you, be it your parents or your staff or your teachers, they are with you, and they will, somebody on the intercom tells us if there is a thunderstorm or a tornado warning, and we go to a certain place. We'll talk about that at another time, but typically you should be with an adult when this is going on. But if you're not, if you are working on independence and you hear that there is a warning going on, make sure that you go indoors and get away from windows, get away from doors, seek shelter. If you're not near a building, you could seek shelter inside of a car, but it's best to go inside of a building. All right, now this is the first video in this whole set. So we will end the video for today, and we'll talk more about summer safety and storms and summer weather in the next one. So I will talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.